but our program really does expand their viewpoint of what it means to be an engineer and a transportation professional.
It was very easy to make friends and connections in the program. Some of my friends now go to Appomattox Regional Governor's School, and I met them through the National Summer Transportation Institute.
We are having hands-on activity, which the student likes it a lot. We are having a lot of field trips.
And the field trips are different areas at Maryland Department of Transportation, State Highway Administration, Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, so many other places.
We went to the Department of Transportation, and that was really fun. You know, we got to see how the roads were actually constructed and the materials they were made of.
I want to become an engineer, and I thought it would be a good fit for me. One thing that I liked was that we was building like a lot of things with Legos and stuff.
That we had to create an airplane out of sticks and popsicle sticks.
We learned about how the wings were made and how the motors were made.
At the time, it was really frustrating, but it was really fun for all of us to find a way to put it together a certain way so that it's perfect.
I would highlight the environment. You know, everybody was very welcoming, and we got to learn a lot.
You're on a college campus, and you're a high school student, and you're like, wow, I'm on Virginia State University's campus.
I want to major in computer science, so this was basically like a maybe learning experience on how college life will be.
To be able to go to different colleges, some of them being HBCUs, I thought that was really good, and I was really excited to join.
I can see that when the students come here, and by the time they leave, a lot of value is added to them.
That's what's made our program very unique and peculiar, very distinct, a standout program here at Morgan State. It's our NSTI program really does educate and elevate the whole child.
But overall, again, it gives them a sense of value, that I have value and I'm worth something.